What's up, guys? Today, let's talk about the difference between it's and its. Yes, they sound the same, but they mean totally different. The one with apostrophe and the one without apostrophe. When we say it's without apostrophe, it means the possessive forms of things or idea. The possessive form of love, loyalty, honesty, independence. Those nouns without gender. Without gender. It is not masculine nor feminine. Let's use it in a sentence. The hen and its chicks went to the farm and fed themselves. Another example. Love and its effects to humankind. Now let's talk about it's with apostrophe. When we say it's with apostrophe, it is the contraction of the words it and is. It is. It's. Let's use it in a sentence. It's my birthday today. It's my birthday today. Meaning, it is my birthday today. Another example. It's you. It's you. Meaning, it is you. So I hope, guys, it is very clear to you.